Welcome to DSE Switchboards, a widely trusted name among electrical contractors across Australia. Delivering their own synergy range of panel boards for your electrical power distribution requirements. This is because from creating the drawings in record time, DSE do it right and they do it fast. DSE's synergy range includes the Express and Choice panel boards. Designed for light commercial applications such as apartments, factories and shops, the DSE Synergy Express is the most affordable panel board in Australia. The DSE Synergy Choice is the most flexible panel, built for any application. This includes shopping centres, schools and hospitals. Both panels are NATA certified for indoor use and include additional DIN rail space to fit controls such as C-bus relays for automation. They are fitted with narrower bus bar chassis of up to 54 poles, allowing more space for you to bring your cables in with ease, resulting in a fast and efficient finish on site. Whether it be a standard or customised panel board by DSE, you'll be supported by their very own express production plant that designs, fits and wires the panel boards within hours to produce the fastest service to market. Saving you time from shopping around, creating designs and fitting components on site. At DSE Switchboards, no panel is too big, too small or complex. Once you've experienced the service and quality of a DSE switchboard, I can say with confidence, they will be your go-to company for all electrical switchboards.